It seems like Zimbabweans are now fed up with Comrade Bombshell Geza. So Geza ataura iye achiti zvonizvo. I am told that President Emmerson Mnangagwa is bribing MPs with stains and money for them to turn down our plan to get him impeached. Like I told you, we will not be we will not be stopped from achieving our major goal, our plan to succeed against all odds. Zimbabweans must wake up and support our plans to remove this corrupt cabal of Emerson Mnangagwa. And so this is what Geza said. And people were saying that as Zimbabweans, we need a total change. Anything that involves ZANU-PF will never work. People know what they want. If you think is genuine, bring Chamisa on the spot. His voice will make a big difference. And Geza also responded, so somebody asked, where are you? Geza said that he will never expose where he is and he is never coming back to Zimbabwe. And people were also saying that Wakati Shandisa Iwe Geza, please fight your own battles. Just say fellow ZANU-PF members, not Zimbabweans, because as Zimbabweans we don't want to see you and all of your ZANU-PF parties. ZANU-PF must go simple. Somebody also said, once beaten, twice shy. We are not going to involve ourselves in your internal fights. President Naimega, we are just spectators. After all, you are not playing your cards open. What is the plan after removing him? Panotungana dzemudanga hatichapindire isu. And then somebody was like, mudhara okutsvaga support kuvanhu vamaite vakaipa maraswa kuzanu mutsvaga vanhu kuti mubvise ZANU-PF muchidzosera ZANU-PF. What is that? So people are basically angry. People are coming back for their saying, okay, you don't have a plan. Honestly, Geza doesn't have a plan, but yeah. And apparently he's saying that he's not going to come back to Zimbabwe. I don't know what you guys think.